Hi guys. Hello everyone. Welcome to a unique live today. Um, we have something exciting coming up. Sorry, I'm just trying to get my questions in order. It crashed just before I went live. Isn't that strange? Today is very exciting. It's a very exciting live. Actually, we've got Plan. We've got 10 people going live with me today. I have the entire we curated the Unlock Your Network Decode, which you all have seen, our campaign to bring about small businesses back in business. So hi to everyone saying hello. We are going live with 10 participants from Unlock Your Network just to tell you what they do, what they've been thinking, how their business is going, and I'm sure they're going to inspire you. So I'm going to get right started because I think we have people here. Hi Shraddha, hi Mandira, hi Ritu, hi Harjot. Okay, I'm going live to start with Aroma India. Give me a second. So I hope you're going to stay on and support each one, and I hope that you're going to show them love because that's the point of this campaign. Shop from them. Hello.
Hi, Shan. How are you?
How are you? Good to see you here. Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much.
You want to quickly introduce yourself like a one-liner?
Hi, I'm Anvesha from Aroma India, and we make candles.
And the most beautiful candles, not just candles, don't say it like that. They're absolutely my favorite. I use them all the time, and they're used a lot in corporate gifting.
Thank you.
And for
Thank
people's
you so much.
hampers and Diwali and lots of stuff. So tell me a little about how you started Aroma India.
So it's a family-run company. Yeah, it's a family-run company, and we are the third generation trying to take it forward.
Okay, amazing. And so tell us a little bit, what were you doing before this interview? How's the lockdown been for you?
Sorry, I didn't hear your question.
What were you doing before this interview? How has the lockdown been for you? Has it been busy?
Yes, fortunately it has been.
Yeah.
We can't complain.
A lot of work happening?
It has been. More than work, we were trying to really revamp the brand, introduce a lot of packaging, making sure that, when the good finally comes, we are well prepared. So we've come up with a new range, lots of exciting stuff happening, collaborations. So that's good.
Awesome. And tell me a little bit about Aroma India. What's your favorite form of collaboration for the brand? Is there anything that you've done previously for the brand that has really worked so that others can benefit from it?
So yeah, a lot of collaborations with like-minded people. Of course, you've helped us with the connections. So it's good. It's been going great.
And have you worked with bloggers? Have you worked with people, in the internet world? Because I know a lot of startups ask us how they can really increase their reach.
Yes, bloggers do help, because their their audiences are also our target audiences most of the times. And it really helps bring more exposure to the brand.
Okay, amazing. So tell us one thing, what do you see post-COVID? What's next for Aroma India? What plans do you have?
So post-COVID.
Where do you want to be? Do you want to start doing your offline events again? Do you want to get into, you're hoping the hampers business restarts? What is it that Aroma India is looking forward to?
Yes, more collaborations in the future.
Yes.
Hoping to collaborate with more stores as well.
Yes.
Yes, and
I think
making sure that the product,
for you all. Yeah.
Yes, making sure the product has more visibility.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. And let me tell you guys, I'm going to let her go now, but Aroma India is giving 50% off just for this period till the 15th of August. So if you haven't bought your gifts, trust me, you'll love their scents. So don't miss out on this. And I'll be sharing the links on how to shop after this as well. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you,
today
Shan.
and being my first person on the live on our Unlock Your Network live.
Thank you. Bye.
See you
Take care.
soon. Bye.
See ya. Bye.
Okay, who do we have next? Who's here already? Guys, if you are here, say yes. I'll add you in because I think the next person is running late. Good to see all of you logging in. Okay, who do I have? Who do I have? Come on, guys. Can I add Mandira? Can I add you? Yeah. Oh, sorry, Harjot. Sorry, Shraddha. I saw this later. I'm. Hi.
Hi, Shan. How are you?
How are you, Mandira?
Doing well, thank you. How are you doing?
How's it going? Tell me a little bit about your brand story before we begin for our viewers.
Yes, Your Brand Story. At Your Brand Story, we provide branding solutions. I mean, starting from your brand strategy, your brand logo, your identity, your verbal communication. It's a whole package. We provide you the whole package where it's uniform and we communicate what you're trying to say, your values, your core message, simply and in a way that your target audience cannot forget it. It's very impactful.
Okay, and to ask you quickly, which are some of the brands that you've worked with which you enjoy?
I worked with a couple of hardware brands. There is,
Okay.
there's this Cuba, there's Artiza, there is, I worked with Muzaffar Ali to build his journal, Hoop, for Jane Khusru, the music festival.
Yes, yes.
I worked with Ananda Maurice and Ananda Himalaya. I've done a lot of their in-house collaterals, packaging. Ista all over India, I've done all their packaging, the hotels.
Okay.
Forest Essentials, I've done a lot of packaging for them.
Wow, Mandira, you worked with some amazing players in the market, and that's something
Thank
you
you.
have to be proud of. I'm going to ask you one or two quick questions. One is, was there any question that you didn't want me to ask you today on today's live?
No, not really.
Not really. Safe,
Not really.
and I think you've seen my lives before. They're quite safe. But
Yeah,
tell
they
me,
are.
what is your favorite form of social media that you've used previously for the brand that's really worked and you would recommend it to others?
I would say Insta. It's a great way to collaborate. LinkedIn is also good, but I feel Insta is a better way to kind of put forward your thought. It's not only, it's word. Insta is more pictures, and also you can write down. It's a mix. It's a great way to kind of put forward your thought in a fun, quirky, or whichever way you want.
Yes, absolutely. I agree with you. Is there anything you want to tell us about your brand story which people can remember, and how do they contact you after this?
You can visit my website, yourbrandstory.in. My phone numbers with Shan, my email, of course. You can DM me on my Insta. At Your Brand Story, I mean, our USP is, we started off with aesthetic looks. I mean, aesthetic values. That's brand identity.
Yeah.
We went on to brand strategy and communication. Our USP is we don't lose touch with your aesthetics. Even though we focus greatly on your strategy, when the work actually goes out in the market, we do, it's a lot of times aesthetic goes out of the window and strategy is focused on. We don't do that. We make sure the work we present to you is what's being put out there in the market. And also we collaborate with professionals all over India to provide a tailor-made solution to you. We don't rely only on our in-house talent. We have great in-house talent, but also we provide collaborations for you with different professionals, which your particular brand or your company service needs.
Awesome. That's great. Thank you, Mandira, for joining me today. That was just a quick hello, and thank you for participating. People, please get in touch with Your Brand Story for all your needs for your brands and to grow them. So thank you, Mandira.
Thank you, Shan. Take care. Bye.
See you soon. Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Okay, guys, who do I have next? Let's go. I think we have either Harjot or we have Bhavesh, Harjot, Shraddha. Do we have you here? Give me a second. Yeah, okay. So this is just a small snippet to let you get to know the people that we've collaborated with. Hi,
hello.
Harjot.
How are you?
Good
How
to
are you?
see
So
you.
good to see you.
Thank you for joining me today on our live. It's very exciting to chat with all our participants. We've been doing so much behind the scenes, but it's nice to.
Thank you for having me, Shan. Thank you for having me.
Very excited to have you. So tell us a little bit about your brand.
I am Harjot Kaur from Harjot Kaur Decor Stylists. We make a lot of customized home furnishings. We also revive and restore old furniture, inherited furniture. And now during the lockdown, it's all the more. We are all hands full with lot of updating and upcycling of old clothes and old furnishing items into newer quilts, newer furnishing items, toys for children from old fabrics, and furnishing items from old fabrics. So we are in the process of converting into a sustainable brand, I think. So very soon we'll be calling ourselves sustainable, and I'm very, very happy and excited about this. Other than that, we also do handmade decor. I have a team of ladies with limited capabilities who I train and who I employ with me. So in case they want to go to work with somebody else, I'm more than happy. But in case they want to get retained with me and work with me, I'm much happier. I do a lot of hand embroidery training, hand painting training on fabrics, machine embroidery, stitching, macrame, crochet. So I'm very proud and very humbled at the same time to say that it's about 18 to 20 women till date who I've trained and who are working with me. So I'm very fortunate. I'm very fortunate that I'm here and I'm talking about them. And it's such a strong team that I'm blessed with.
Harjot, kudos to you for really bringing out the talent.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
putting
Thank
the brand
you.
together. I want to ask you one thing. What inspired you to start this brand when you did start?
I think one is creativity that I've inherited from my great grandmother. As a child, she used to make us all sit in circles, small circles, and make us do embroidery and painting, and all the trousseau and stuff used to. Because I had a lot of masis. I have about 7 masis, and all of us daughters and all masis, we used to sit. My grandmother used to make all of us sit in circles and do crochet or painting or hand embroidery, and we all used to make trousseau for ourselves and for neighboring people. And women who knew that there's lots of work at our home used to come. So it's my grandmother whose creativity and whose entrepreneurial skills I've inherited, and that is the business model I follow till date. So that is one thing that inspires me. I want to keep her spirit alive, and also I want to tell you that during the time that we did embroidery and painting together, we used to sing a lot of hymns and prayers and together. So that had a huge therapeutic effect on us, on other ladies, on their children. So I am a sincere believer of the fact that art, in whatever you do with your hands, has a very strong and a positive effect on how you think and your life as a whole. So
Amazing to hear.
through your
so inspiring.
thank you.
It's so inspiring.
And through your platform, I would want all the mothers and parents to spend quality time with your children, doing art, drawing, painting, singing, dancing, dramatics, anything. Quality time is all about spending time with children and doing art, so that you understand what's going inside them, their inner stories, their inside world, and you bond with them, and they have trust in you. Trust me, art plays a huge role.
Absolutely. I couldn't agree with you more. Thank you. That's so sweet of you to share. And it's so nice that you're inspiring women to even just take up work and do so many things. But thank you for joining us, and thanks for being part of the Decode Unlock Your network. And I hope that a lot of people connect with you for your decor and styling their
Thank
spaces.
you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
See you soon.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Okay. Next up, guys, we have the most brilliant products as well. Bhavesh from Home Care. If you haven't seen Home Care in, we haven't shared it yet, but it's coming up this week. And the most brilliant products that too. Hello.
Hello, good evening. How are you?
How are you? So good to see you. Not in an office space and not at home.
Not at all. I was just texting you that I am actually just left for the meeting and I'll be late there. So can you just take me first?
Sorry, and thank you so much
No
for joining
problem,
us.
no problem.
Quickly tell us what Home Care is all about.
So I am Bhavesh from brand Home Care. So Home Care is basically a brand which gets kitchen products and daily utility product, which is innovative in nature. So basically we have Chopper, which has revolutionized the whole chopper market in India right now, because people, what they were doing was very, very bad quality. And after we getting into that segment, so we have introduced choppers which are which you can use for years and years, and not just 2 strings and it is done. So we
Yeah.
have products like chopper, slicer, peeler, grater, lunch boxes. Lunch boxes like the stainless steel one, because of plastic going out of the market, stainless steel has come in. So we have
Yes.
stainless steel lunch boxes, vacuum insulated, which will keep your food warm for 6 hours, and if you put cold food, then cold for 9 hours. So we have such products which are disruptive in nature, and right now we are placed pan India, from from Kashmir till Kerala. Everywhere our products are available, and also we are placed on Amazon and Flipkart as well. And
Amazing. Your product is fab.
for networking now, India, we have put up new code NN20 for our website. Whatever you're buying, we are giving discounts, and also on Amazon we are giving prices at never before prices, especially for
Amazing.
this
So
period. Decode
thank
your
you.
brand.
How sweet. That's really nice. And your product is fabulous. Lots of great pictures coming up.
Thanks a
I
lot.
want to ask you one more thing. According to you, why did you start this? Was there a lack in the market? Was there a gap that you saw? That's why you
Yes, yes.
introduced this product.
There was need in the market for such a brand who is giving good quality with good pricing. So you
Yeah.
have a lot of different brands. I won't name them, but
Yes.
they are very expensive. And India, as a market, you need to place your product in such a way that affordability is huge, or like masses can buy your product. So we have
Yes.
very good brands giving very good quality, but pricing is so high that everyone can't afford. So we are giving prices. First thing, second, innovation in our products, it is next level. Products what we are making and we are delivering is next level. So there's need in market for good products at good
Absolutely.
prices.
Absolutely. And
Yes.
you are bringing that to the table. We'll let you go for your meeting. Thank you for joining us today.
Thanks a
It's
lot.
been
Nice to
lovely
meet you.
having you here. And I hope that post COVID we can finally meet.
Thank you.
Take
See you
care.
soon.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Okay, next up, so if people are asking what we're doing here, we've launched a new campaign which is Unlock Your Network. I hope that most of you have seen it. It's basically 20 small businesses and brands who've come together to offer the best prices for you to shop from and support them. I think I have Shraddha Salve here. Let me get her on. So you can shop from these 20 brands. DM us. Hi,
Hi,
Shraddha.
Sam. Hi, how are you?
How are you? So good to see you today.
Good to see you after months.
After a long time. Shraddha, quickly tell us about your label.
So basically, Shraddha Savvy label is a nod to my mother. It's inspired by my mom. She had been, so it's like I'm carrying her legacy forward. She had been doing it for 25 years. So basically, over here, the Shraddha Savvy label is basically for, personalization. We love creating special outfits, personalized outfits for, whatever our customers for their special events. And our latest collection,
amazing.
our latest collection, Hermosa collection is inspired by boss babes like you. It is totally, that line is of totally women who love power dressing, women who love expressing themselves through clothes. So it's for that.
Yeah. Amazing. And you've done so many pantsuits, you've done dresses, and I've seen them. The collection looks lovely. I want to ask you,
much.
according to you, what's your favorite form of social media? What's really worked for your label that you think others can
Instagram,
also,
definitely. Instagram works in how.
Yeah.
And collaboration. It is very important to, via Instagram, collaborating with perfect people. Like knowing your audience and collaborating with people whose audience you can connect with, your brand can connect with.
Yes.
So that is very important.
And tell me, Shraddha, since you are a clothing brand, I want to ask you, have you worked with different bloggers, influencers? Do you think that works a lot for a fashion and clothing brand?
Yeah, that does. My recent collaboration, like the collection Hermosa, which I shot with, was with the Bombay blogger official, Farinaz Kharis.
Yes,
and it literally opened a very new, different market, a different clientele for me. So it does work. It does.
Okay, amazing. And Shraddha, I'm going to leave you with one last question. What is success to you? Where do you want to see your brand in 5 years?
Success to me, in 5 years, I will definitely want to have a store, open a store of my own soon, and collaborating with more like-minded people, and having created outfits, so not just an outfit for a collection, but outfits that people can pass on. Because I've been seeing it with my mom's outfits, which she used to make. Now she used to make it goes through different generations. I can see their daughters wearing those outfits. So I want something like that same for my brand.
Awesome.
I'm doing more offline events with Spicy Sangria exhibition.
Soon. And thank you so much for joining us. It's lovely chatting with you.
Thank you so much.
It's a long time. We usually meet at our networking events. So
I
hopefully
miss our
soon.
networking events.
Yeah, so hopefully we'll be back soon. But please shop. Shraddha Salvi label is on discount for our Unlock Your Network. Shraddha, what's the best way for people to shop your product?
They can go via our Instagram, they can DM us, and after an email, they can email us and we can connect with them on call.
Okay, super. Thank you, Shraddha. I'm just
Thank
giving your
you.
Instagram here so people.
Thank you so much, Chan. Bye.
Bye. See you. Thank you.
See you soon. Bye.
Bye. Okay. Up next, we have Beyond Books. Urvi has joined us, and Urvi is somebody who has come right out of one of her classes to join us on our live. So I'm waiting for her. Hello, Urvi.
Hi.
So good to see you virtually. How are you doing?
I'm doing good, even better now that I'm seeing you.
How sweet, Urvi, and I haven't seen you in such a long time. You've
I
come
know.
right out of one of your classes to join us today, so thank you for
Yes.
that.
It's always a pleasure. It just got over, so I'm all in Spanish mode right now.
Yes.
But
So
yes,
tell us
very
what Beyond
excited.
Books does. For everyone who doesn't know, tell us what Beyond Books does.
So Beyond Books is all about skill development in children, just different ways in which you can enhance skills and not focus on the boring academics. We look at development of language, motor and life skills. I do it through storytelling essentially, and I also conduct Spanish classes for language skill development.
Amazing. And our kids very receptive to learning Spanish at a young age. You think parents are more open to that?
Yes, they are. And you know, the thing is that the younger the kids, the quicker they can grasp different languages. So I would definitely suggest parents to enroll them in learning different languages at a younger age, as opposed to, you know, doing it when they're in grade 9, 10 or so on. Yeah.
So tell me, Urvi, why did you start Beyond Books?
To be very honest, it was I've always been interested in teaching, but I felt like I was losing the essence of teaching when I was teaching in a school. No offense to any of the schools, but it's just that we get so caught up in the admin work. Plan for this event, this one's visiting, you need to get this in place. So we don't land up really focusing on the skills that we promise the parents to enhance. Kids don't always get the time to research or actually observe their different skills and work on ways in which they can enhance them. That's why I wanted to start Beyond Books, because I wanted kids to be able to take their own time and explore different things so that they can actually develop those skills. And coming from a business family, I think it was just in my blood to, you know, do something of my own eventually. So yeah, that's how it started.
And you're doing a very, very good job at doing it. So tell me, we have Mandira who was with us live about 5 minutes ago, your brand story, and she says, you're very, very good. And I know that you train her child, right?
Yes, I do. And he's the sweetest, the most adorable kid you can ever meet. Every time I have a session, he just tells me how much he loves, you know, the sessions and how he looks forward to it. And he often feels shy as well. So he's just adorable. He's absolutely adorable.
That's really cute. So it's good to see two members collaborating. I want to ask you a little more about what you did dance also earlier. So
yes,
tell us a little bit about that. How do you connect all the different things?
So to tell you a little about my dance journey, my mom says that I danced before I walked. My aunt teaches Bharatnatyam, so my earliest memory is sitting in our class when I was 2 years old, just observing her when she's teaching Bharatnatyam, and obviously I trained in Bharatnatyam myself. Was a student with Shamaks for many years, and I do Sangeet choreography, and I feel I would use dance in my classes as a way for children to express themselves. I think dance can be such a good medium for kids to just like say what they want, just go all out and not be, you know, confined in those few lines or the box in order to express themselves. So I absolutely love dancing, and I love it when I can use music and movement in my classes to just help kids explore, you know, and say what they want to.
Absolutely, and you really do a very good job of it. I'm going to ask you one last question, which is a little intense, but I want to ask you, what do you think is your way, quantity of life or quality of life?
I would say quality of life in a higher quantity. So just trying to, the better quality you have, obviously it's the best, right? So why not have maximum quality of life
Yes.
in all that you can do?
Absolutely agree. Thank you, Urvi, for joining us. Thanks for being a part of this campaign. People
Thank
can
you
reach
so
out to you
much.
on Instagram, your website, and
Yes.
you do get a discount on your Spanish classes as well. So if you have children, this is the best time to start, teaching, having them learn Spanish through Urvi. And she does a lot of skill development for them as well. So thanks, Urvi, for joining us today.
Thank you so much. And finally, I can say I've been on Shan's live.
We'll have you back for an individual chat very soon.
Love you. Take care.
Bye. See
Bye.
you soon, Urvi. Okay, next up we have our last person. I think we have Priyanka here. Priyanka, do we have you here? Priyanka, yes, we do. This is a beautiful brand. Priyanka, let her join. I think there's so beautiful brand. Hi, Priyanka.
Hi, Shan. How are you?
Good to see you. Thank you so
How's
much for
it going?
joining us today.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me.
So tell us a little bit about Nirvana.
Well, Nirvana, we are a jewelry label. We make beautiful jewelry with lots and lots of beautiful gemstones. Our jewelry is mostly contemporary, but we really love to use a lot of traditional silk skill sets and a lot of traditional raw materials that have always been available, but translated in using making our designs in a manner that it appeals to today's women. So yeah, most of our styles are contemporary, and most of it is also handcrafted. Yes, we love handcrafted.
And are you the sole founder of the brand?
I started with my sister because she wanted to. I would say, I would continue, even though she hates this, but I continue to keep saying that she is a co-founder with me. The reason, because she was the one who gave that final push. If it wasn't her, I would have never left my corporate career. And so I think the final push has been given by her. So I would say, even though she dislikes it, I always keep saying she's part of Nirvana.
Awesome. So tell us a little bit about what you were doing before Nirvana, since you mentioned you were in a corporate job.
Yes, I was working in a fashion exports industry for 20 years, for 2 decades.
Wow.
Yes, of course, I started from as a management trainee, and then I went on to, of course, as you know how competitive the corporate world can be, but and how difficult, especially it can be for a woman. But I would say I had a successful career. And the day when I was leaving, most of the people actually thought it was a very silly decision to have to leave what you've built up for 20 years, because and just leave it in one shot and then start from a scratch where you're not even getting paid. You're actually paying up from your pocket. So yeah, a lot of people thought it's a silly decision, but that's what I am. Actually, I enjoy the process a lot. I enjoy the journey more than a destination, to be honest. If somebody says you've arrived, then I feel, okay, this is something, I'm done with it, and I need to switch to something else.
Yeah. No, and I think that's your choice. Each to his own. Each person has their own journey. No one can really tell you what to do. So kudos to you for, leaving and taking up what you're passionate about. So tell me, when you're building Nirvana, is there anything that you've learned that you could really share with our fellow entrepreneurs? Positive, negative, anything that you've done for the brand that's really worked for you all that you'd like to share? Oh, did I lose you? Yeah.
I would say, if anybody is starting up or anybody is setting up a business, the 2 things which, in my opinion, one should always have it laid down. One should be your principles, that following which you are going to walk that path, and the other should be your vision. Because I tell you, Shan, when you are actually an entrepreneur, when you are walking that path, that difficult path of building up your business, there are a lot of temptations, because you see so and so has done this and is a success, so and so has done this and that's a success, and you always want to get, that's quite a distraction. But I believe if your vision is clear and you are very determined that you have to achieve it, you have to keep walking it, and there's no reason why you will not achieve it one day. If you do it with all your, with hard work, you believe in it. Honestly, I'm that kind of a person. I've always, if I decide on something, I just go. I've decided to go for, to build my brand Nirvana. I really hope I achieve someday.
Absolutely, and you will. How do people shop Nirvana? If anyone wants to go onto your website, what is it? How do they put this out?
Yes, they can shop from our website. They can DM us on Instagram. They can on our there's an email ID listed. They can send us an email, or they can order directly as per the order procedure. If somebody is not really tech savvy, they also send us a WhatsApp message, and we help them out with the ordering procedure. So anything, I mean, call us, mail us, DM us, or if you are tech savvy, you used to online shopping, go ahead and just place a direct order on the website. Either.
Awesome. Awesome. That's great. Thank you so much, Priyanka, for joining us today. And it's been lovely having you a part of the campaign. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shan. Thank you for having me. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, guys. So next up, I think we are waiting for 3 more people who I would like to introduce. So guys, I hope that you all know this is part of our Unlock Your Network campaign, which is 20 participants who have given us the most amazing products at a discounted rate just for you to shop from. The best way to do this is just DM them on Instagram, reach out to their websites. We have people giving Spanish classes. Yes, it's so good to see so many entrepreneurs. Thank you for that. My idea was to bring small businesses and people that just want to revive and come back into the market post-COVID, and start talking about what they do, what they've done during COVID, and how you can shop their products. Shraddha, it's been great having you. Your products are lovely. And I think that everyone needs to realize that if we support each other, we can all come out of this stronger. So yes, I think we are waiting for 2 more people. I'm going to see if they're here. If you guys are here, please let me know. We're waiting for Kathy from Mera Carpets, and we're waiting for Salty Soul India, who has the most amazing travel and occasion wear. For those of you that haven't received our campaign PDF to shop from, please DM us. I'd love to send it to you. You must support and check out these 20 brands. Showing some Instagram love never hurts. So don't forget to do that. Okay, I'm going to go, guys. I think we have lost the last 2 people who are going to come, haven't come online. But it's lovely to see all of you, and thank you for the support. If you have any questions, DM me. See you soon. We'll be back on Wednesday, 4:30. Thank you, Harshita. We'll be back on Wednesday, 4:30 with 10 other participants talking about what they do. You wouldn't want to miss this. So see you then. Bye.